It's a beautiful day, and welcome back to our Hope series. I'm Melody. Welcome to my channel, Making Melody Crafts. I'm so glad you're here. So hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. We are down at the craft table, ready to get started with the third video in this series. This letter is so cool. It's another letter that I got from a Goodwill. The price tag's still on it. Was $1.80. It is solid wood. It is just the coolest thing. I absolutely love this, but I've got to decorate it. I just really wanted to do this series because I just think it's great to spread some hope and spread some cheer, not just because of the pandemic, but really, all the time. There's so many situations where we could all use a little hope and a little cheer. All right, I thought about it, and I think I do want to gesso this just to make it kind of blend in with the others in this series. So we're going to give that a quick coat. All right, the first coat is dry. Now let's get the second coat on. This coat is all dry, but I still want to put another coat on it. I don't know, can you really put on less than 3 coats of gesso? I don't really think you can. All right, that is all painted. I like how it turned out. I've kind of pre-selected a few different bits and bobs, some jewelry, some buttons. Before I get started gluing things on, I just want to kind of get this to be just a little bit darker. I'm gonna also add a little bit of the Ranger Archival that I love so much, that I use pretty frequently. All right, that's good. I'm happy with that. I think we're ready to get started. All right, that one is glued down. I'm happy with that. And I did take a photo of this first. If you're going to be doing anything like this, I just really recommend that. So you don't have to worry about, remembering how you wanted everything. Now to make sure I don't burn my hands here. This is really hot. Be very careful when you use hot glue. The nice thing about hot glue too is it dries clear, so I really like that. And then this one is so thin, I'm just going to put the glue right on that clear button and then drop it into there. Then I'll use one of my little skewers to center it. Ooh, got a little much there. All right, well that won't go anyplace. Tell you that. I'm referring to my photo here. Listen to the button when it falls. Doesn't that sound like a quarter? It's so neat. My gosh, I'd buy a shirt at the Goodwill just to get more of these buttons. One of my kids actually got me some buttons for crafting, which I just love, so that was really neat. I'm gonna get the glue on the back of that and then put it down. Now, let's see, how do I want this? So I can do it like that. It's flat on one side. That's kind of nice, It kind of gives that some different height. I think I'm gonna do it like that. Put a little tiny drop there. And if you have an issue with your glue gun, being stringy and there being strings, when you finish, squeezing the trigger to get your glue, then just do some circles in that spot and lift away. And when you do, that usually takes care of the strings. So I think we'll do something like that. Let's do that. I am not shy with glue, am I? Have you ever done that at a Goodwill? Buy something just for the buttons or beads or whatever? I have done that. I bought a purse for all of the cool beads that it had on it. Ooh, that is hot. I'm gonna just put the glue on this button. Ooh. Ooh. And then this one. Cool. Alright, and now, here we go. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Get this guy down there. little more. There. So that's what we've got. I'll zoom you in too and see if maybe that's better. I can see a few little strings of glue. I can just take my heat tool to that and that will take care of that in short order. Pretty neat. I think my favorite one is this one here with a clear button and then this piece of jewelry on there. What's your favorite? Which do you like the most? That leaf, oh my gosh, okay, that I love that too. So these are all pretty much, you know, things that I love. I love a steampunk feel. It's just so neat. So there we have the bottom with the clock. I love clocks. And if you want to check out the rest of the video in this series, do so. I think they're kind of fun and they're all just a little bit different, but there is paint involved in all of them because evidently I love paint. And then our next video in this series will obviously be for the letter E in our Hope series and decorating that. I'm super excited about that because it will be different than this. It will not be the same. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you had some fun or learned something, please subscribe. I would appreciate it so much. And I will actually be having a giveaway coming up on my channel. Be sure to watch for that and I'll mention it in a video and I'll explain all about that in the description. I'm excited to share some things with you, some things that I purchased just for you because I really do appreciate you from the bottom of my heart and wish you all the best. And I'll catch you later.